crimp a Wolfcut. But Kat, why is your hair wet? Oh, that's because I filmed this TikTok earlier and then deleted everything. But I will refilm it for you. Let's get this bitch started. Heat protected. Let's section out. Before we start, let's talk about this bad boy. This is my ultimate holy grail crimper by Bedhead. Lit. Start at the root, clamp down for a few seconds, release, and again, and again. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna crimp the crap out of this hair like 80s style. If you're just looking for body, I would crimp just a few pieces in the middle section. I want big. Fluffy! Oh hi, I'm here to audition for the all-female Cure cover band. But like, she's kinda cute in a grungy way.